Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm actually going to go backwards. As you can see, the top box is done right here. So basically I'm just going to show you the finished result, and then the rest of the video will be how I got it there. So if you guys want to stay tuned to actually see what all work I put into it to get it where it's at. Painted the whole entire box, of course, with Rustoleum that I mixed smoke gray with aluminum. Here's the side of it. There we go. Then I bed lined the top of it and cut out this liner for it. And then I took some 3M vinyl wrap and wrapped these drawer edges instead of trying to get the old aluminum shined up. I actually had it pretty clean, but the top box had some pretty bad spots, and plus I like the way that it looks, the flat black over the aluminum color. So then I cut out some liners, and I'll have a link for the liner that I use and this wrap in case you guys want to know. But so basically right now I'm waiting on new rollers. I'm using the existing ones right now. I had to borrow some from this bottom box to put this one together because these top ones were pretty much ruined. So anyways, as you can see, I got liners and anyways, if you guys want to see video me I guess stripping it a little bit and getting it painted, I'm gonna add that in next. Oh, also forgot to add in, I wrapped these posts right here with the same wrap, and I need to get a little cap for this one because it melted. Can't even tell it's missing really, but yeah. I wrapped both of those. And of course this right here is all that. It's the same bed liner. So if everything else is painted though, inside and out, I mean I painted it completely. No way to really show you in this video, but you'll be able to see it in the actual painting video, I think. So alright, I think that pretty much covers that part.